Hello and welcome to this channel. Let's learn how to insert slicers and timelines for our sales data. Slicers and timelines are found under the Insert tab on Excel, but you must first create a pivot table. So our sales data is for 2025 and part of 2026. We'll create a summary for sales per year and per month using total sales, and then we are going to uh, do it also by category. So the first thing is to insert a pivot table. Go to Insert. I'll do my report from table or range. This will select my 2000 records, 2106 records, you can see there, and then place my report on a new worksheet. So I'll click OK. Once I have that, now I'll use the date column first to get the time. So this is the date, so I'll put the date on the rows there. Then you realize that Excel will attempt to group your data by years. I'll right click to group my data by years and months, then click OK. Once I get that, I'm going to place the category and put the category here, that is accessories, apparel, and footwear, and then pick the column on total sales. So you get your report that you can see your report is 2025 and 2026. I want to display the most recent data at the top, so that is data, then I'll sort it in descending order like that. Then make some changes so that my report is more visible. So I'll pick this and show it as a tabular format. Now to slice and dice my data further, I can use slicers by going to Insert, while selected, then click Slicer. This will give me all the fields I want to see my report by region. I also want to see by payment type, which is here, and then click OK. So this will give me my slicers there, and then it will be very easy for me to now check my report and see what was my cash sales, credit card sales, debit sales, also by region or east or north. I'll proceed to create another report. This time around, I'll use the timeline by creating another sales report. So I'll go to Insert, then Pivot Tables, the same method. But this time around, I'm going to pick the category and place the category here. I also want to see my report based on the salesperson ID, which I'm going to put it at the top. You can see it gives me that way. Then pick my report for total sales. So I'll pick the total sales here and put it there. Now once I'm done, I'm going to do the same design and show my report in tabular format. Once done, I now want to insert a timeline that shows me my sales over time. So I'll go to Insert, then Timeline. The timeline automatically will be picked as date, which Excel detects automatically. Then I'll click OK. This will give me my timeline, which I'm able to slice and dice further and say whether I want a group of months in 2025, you can see that, or I want a group like that, or a specific month, and you can see it that way. If I add the years to my report, for example, go to total sales, go to the date, then place it here. Then I'll see it as grouped automatically by year. I'm going to pick that, right click, then group it only by years, like that. So once I get, I'm going to remove the filter, and you can see my sales is 2025 and 2026. Now, if I want a specific month in 2025, I'll pick that, and you can see 2026 will 2025 is going to show automatically. Thanks for watching.